Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome back to RiceFix. And you all guys must have noticed that I use this cordless drill in all of my videos. Now the batteries of this cordless drill were drained, they were totally damaged. So I was looking for a replacement for these batteries. It is a Black Decker Cordless Drill, but I could not find the batteries of this drill anywhere. So I tried and finally I managed to find the cells which go inside of these batteries. So I replaced the cells and I found success, and finally my cordless drill is back again working, as you all guys can see. So I thought I would share this video with you and show you, if you don't find the battery for this cordless drill, what exactly you should be doing. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then see that you press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new videos. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So to do this hack, you will require these tools: one nose plier, one marker, one plus screwdriver, one tester, one soldering flux, then soldering wire, sanding file, one insulation tape, multimeter, one soldering machine, and one 120 grit sandpaper. So all these things you will have to keep ready before starting the job. So let's start to open this drill battery. Here I have disconnected the battery from my cordless drill. It has 4 screws at the bottom. Take a plus screwdriver and take out all these 4 screws. And once you take out all these 4 screws, the top part of your battery will come out easily like this. And as you can see here, this is the top part. So come on, let's take out the batteries now. So if you turn around this entire thing, all the batteries will come out easily like this. And as you can see here, these are the batteries. Now the batteries which are there on this are 1.2 volt and 1300 mAh. But you will need 10 batteries of the similar type. These batteries are called nickel cadmium subsea batteries if you want to buy this type of batteries. Now the new batteries which I have got, they are of 1.2 volt, but the mAh of these batteries is 1900 mAh. As you can see here, this means that these batteries will give me more usable time, which means I can use the drill for a longer period of time once I charge it. So once you take out the batteries, just take out the cardboard which is there on the top and then take a diagram of the batteries on a piece of paper, because when you will be connecting the new batteries, that time you should know how these old batteries were connected. So keep the batteries like this and make a diagram of it. And as you can see here, these two batteries, the plus side is on this side and one battery minus side is this side. If you look at these batteries from this side, you will see only 9 batteries. Now which battery is connected where, I will mark that on my diagram. So once I do the backside marking, I will turn the batteries and take out the cardboard which is on top and do the diagram of the top side as well. Now when you are making a diagram of the top side, that time you will have to keep in mind that there is a one extra battery here which is placed on top. See that you draw that as well and mark properly where that battery is connected where. Then you can use a multimeter and check each battery, how much voltage is there on the batteries. Now that you know that your batteries are already spoiled, there is no point in checking this here. If you want, you can check your new batteries, but these batteries also will not be charged properly, so there is no point in checking these also. So the next thing what you should be doing is arrange these new batteries according to how the old batteries are. So at the moment, arrange these batteries. So once you are done arranging these batteries, you can apply insulation tape all around them so that they will not move out of place. But this I did not do. Later I realized that I should have done that. But at the moment, we'll keep those batteries at the side and we'll take out all the connections from the old batteries, because I want these plates from these batteries, these plates which are connected. I don't have any other plates rather than that. If you have ordered new ones, then you don't have to take out these ones. You will only have to disconnect the mechanism on the top battery. But for me, I don't have this type of plates, so I will be using these same ones which are there on the old batteries and I will put them on the new batteries. So take a nose plier like this, take out all the plates. Now while taking out these plates, they will get cut, but that's fine. But you should be trying as much as you can to save them, so that you will at least get a length which can connect the two batteries. So here I left one connection. Now you should be taking out the connection from the other end as well, and you will have to separate this entire plate from the batteries. So here comes out my entire plate out. I will just press this like this and make it flat, and as you can see here comes out my one plate. As you can see here how it has got cut in between. Now if you want, you can take out all the plates in one shot and then start connecting, but I will not do that. I will take out just one plate at a time and connect that plate on my new batteries first and then move on to the next plate. Before soldering on the new batteries, try on the old batteries your soldering skills. Check if you can do the soldering properly, because not everyone can do a soldering. So practice it first like this on the old batteries. So to do the soldering, take a 120 grit sandpaper and sand the surface of the batteries, and once you are done with the sanding, you will have to apply some flux wherever you have sanded side. Here I had one old flux left with me. I will use that only. So I will melt this flux with my soldering machine. Then I will use a tester and apply this flux on my batteries. This helps the soldering to get settled on the battery. Then take the soldering machine and take the file and just sharpen the tip of the soldering machine, because there will be some dirt and old soldering carbon will be there on the surface. So take that out and then take a soldering wire and solder it on the battery. You should keep in mind here that you should not touch the soldering machine to the surface of the batteries for more than 5 seconds. If you do that, your batteries can get spoiled. So within 5 seconds you will have to put a soldering drop on this battery. It took me slightly more time, but I'm just trying now. But the soldering is stuck properly on the battery, which is main thing here. Then you will have to put a soldering drop on this metal plate on both the ends. So first take a sandpaper and sand both the ends. And once you are done sanding, apply flux on both the ends. And once you are done applying the flux, put soldering drops on both the ends. So here I am done applying soldering drops on both the ends. Now I will take my new batteries. First I will check if this plate will reach to connect both the batteries. So plate is reaching here. Now I will have to connect this plate to the batteries, as you can see here, like this. So I will keep the entire set here. So to connect the plate to the batteries, I will have to sand the batteries first with a 120 grit sandpaper. One I will sand on the positive side and one I will sand on the negative side. Then I will apply flux on both the batteries and then I will put a soldering drop on both the batteries. As you can see, as you must have noticed that I am taking more than 5 seconds here to put a drop. I am not an expert in this, but let's see what happens. But I will try to avoid as much as I can not to cross that 5-second mark. So here I am done applying soldering on one of the batteries. Now I will apply soldering on the other battery, and here I am done applying the soldering drop on the other battery as well. Now you will have to keep that plate on top of both the batteries where you have already put a drop, and you just have to make the plate hot by touching the soldering machine just from top like this. Now when you make that hot, the soldering drops which you have put on both the ends will melt and join together. So to one battery my plate is attached already. So in a similar way I will attach the other battery now. So here my plate is attached to the battery now. If you feel that you have touched the soldering machine too long to the battery, then stop it, wait for some time, let the batteries cool down, and then you can start again. And as you can see here, both my batteries are attached now. So like this, wherever there was plate on your old batteries, you will have to take the plate out from those batteries and you will have to put it on the new ones. And as you can see here, I am done attaching all the plates on one side. Only this one battery is left. For that, one more battery is connected on top. But before I connect that, I will turn these batteries first and I will attach the plates at the bottom side first. Before you turn these batteries, take an insulation tape and put the insulation tape all around the batteries, because when you are turning the batteries, they should not go out of position. You could have applied this tape before also, but I did not do that. It did not come in my mind to do that before. I don't know how. So I am putting the insulation tape now. So put an insulation tape all around the batteries like this, so that all the batteries will stay in position. So once you are done putting the insulation tape, you can turn the batteries easily like this. And now you can start attaching your plates on this side. Once you are done turning the batteries, check your batteries if they are on the correct side according to your diagram. Just match your diagram and check if it is matching. So here all my batteries are matching the diagram. So here I will send all the batteries in one time, and then I will apply flux on all the batteries in one time, and then I will put a soldering drop on all the batteries in one time. So once I am done applying the soldering, the plates which were there on my old batteries, I have already taken them out and I have put a soldering drop on them and kept them ready. So now the only thing which remains is to attach them. So one by one I will attach all the plates now. So here I am done attaching all the plates, but before that I will check my diagram one more time if I have connected the batteries properly. So as you can see here, I have connected plus and minus. I have connected plus and minus here. So according to the diagram, everything looks fine, but still we need to connect that one battery. So we will keep this thing on one side now, and this is our old battery, and as you can see there is a mechanism connected to this battery. So to take out this mechanism, if you just pull this mechanism on top, it will detach from the battery like this, and this wire is connected to this battery with a plate here. Just pull it and take it out, as you can see here. Then I will take a nose plier and make the plate flat. Then I will sand it and apply flux and put a soldering drop on it. Then you will have to bring the entire set again. And now according to the diagram, the wire was connected on this battery. So I will sand it first and apply the flux and then put a soldering drop. And then I will connect that plate and wire to this battery by making this plate hot. So here my wire mechanism is connected now. So once you are done connecting that, I will have to connect that one battery which is left, which connects here. So now I will take out the plate which is there on the old batteries. Take a nose plier and take out this plate. Then again the same process, do the sanding, put the flux and put a soldering drop. Once you are done with that, you can see the drop. Bring the battery, send the battery, apply flux and put a soldering drop. And once you are done applying soldering drop on that battery, connect the plate which we had just taken out. So here my plate is connected. So now I can connect this battery to the mechanism here, but still I have to connect one plate at the bottom of this battery. So I will take out the plate from the old batteries first. And as you can see, there is a cardboard attached to the bottom of this battery. So here my plate is disconnected from one battery, and here the plate is totally separated from both the batteries. So once you take out this plate, do the sanding, apply the flux and put the soldering drop on both the ends. Then I will sand on the bottom side of the battery. I will apply the flux and put a soldering drop. And then I will connect one side of the plate here. Now since there was a cardboard on the bottom of this battery, I will not put a cardboard here. I will just apply insulation tape here. Otherwise you will have a tough time to put the batteries back into the container, because our soldering is fat. You cannot close the battery cover. So to avoid making it more fatter, I will just put a insulation tape here, because the soldering which we have applied increases the size of the batteries because it is fat. And now I will connect this battery to the battery below it, like this. So once I'm done connecting that, I can put the mechanism back on the battery. And once I'm done putting this mechanism on the battery, my job is done. Now the only thing which remains is putting these batteries inside the container. Here one problem I faced is the batteries were not going inside the container. They were going inside the container, but the cover on top was not closing properly. So all the cardboards which were there like this, I took them out and I used the soldering machine and cut the container from inside, and all those lines I removed. As you can see here I have cut all those extra lines. After that also my cover did not shut properly, but I just tightened it with the screws and checked if the battery is properly fitting on the drill. Luckily it got connected. So now I will put this battery for charging. So I kept it for charging the entire night. So the next day I came, I took out the charger, and the first thing what I checked is the voltage with the multimeter, and it is showing 13.46, which is very good. Then I put my battery on the drill, and now it is time to check if my drill operates or no. And as you can see here, my drill has started working, which is a very good thing. But I will test this drill now. To test it, the best way is put this drill on the drill mode and make a hole in the wall. So here I will connect a drill bit to it, and once I connect the drill bit, I will start to make a hole in the wall. Let's see if the drill stops or if it succeeds to make a hole. So I will not fast forward this video here, and as you can see I am pressing this drill very hard against the wall, but it is not stopping. I will put slightly more force on it. The drill is rotating, but it is taking time to make the hole. But then let's see how long it takes to make this hole. So as you can see here, it took me almost 2 minutes to make a hole, but the drill did not stop. Drill is still working, which is a good thing, because my older batteries, if I used to do like this, the drill would stop rotating. This means that my project is successful. So if this project is successful, I thought I would share this video. So let's see when I will edit this video and put it on my channel. Then I put a plastic adapter and put the screw in the wall, and then I put a 2022 calendar on it. If you like this video, then do like and share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I release my new video. Till then, this is Raison Fernandez signing out until we meet again.